Good morning, friends. So next we're going to discuss about next chapter of this unit, fundamentals of green computing. So green IT 4 dimensions. So green IT in practice is based on 4 distinctive interrelated dimensions of business: why, what, how, who. So why is based on economically, what is based on the technology, and how is based on process, and the who is based on people, who all of them. First you are going to discuss economically, why. So it deals with the financial justification for green enterprise transformation, and this following are some of the economic factors appear in green IT practices. That's green ROI matrices justify the business decision to invest in carbon reduction. The matrices that demonstrate the net present value (NPV) of the carbon initiative over a 3 to 5 year period. Then incorporation of integrable and otherwise non-carbon measures such as organizational image, substrate marketing, and motivated HR in the overall justification for green IT. The comparison of carbon performance across multiple organizations and industry sector, especially when businesses are geographically disparate. The formations of KPI, key performance indicators, provide financial benchmarks indicated carbon benchmarks. And the second dimensions of green IT, which is technology. What are the technology dimensions deal with reduction on energy, reduction of emission from IT equipment such as monitors, computers, data server, and network equipments. For example, of these technology dimensions of IT that is include sophistication in managing desktops, laptops, and other individual computing devices. What not in use? So use of smart metering devices and printer use in effectively virtualization and optimization of data server and desktop machines. Use of low carbon emitting green monitor and computers instead of the aging and high power consumption computer. Implementing basics to advanced carbon emission management software are used. Peripherally use of renewable sources of energy such as solar, wind, and nuclear are the main dimensions of technology. Next, what are the process? How we are used to this green IT? The process dimensions of green IT practices deal with the use of IT system in improving business process. For example, supply chain and use of standards. For example, ISO 14001. Then the process dimensions in the practices of green IT is affected as follows: business optimization process such as Lean or Six Sigma would be also responsible for carbon reduction. So modeling and implementation of new green process, embedding green optimization policies within the system that support business process. The process associated with the reuse and recycling of equipment that balance the equipment and ongoing power consumption. Collaborative business process based on web services that enable support and sharing of carbon reduction across multiple organizations. Next, the fourth dimensions of green IT. The people and who are. The people dimension of green IT practices deal with the soft sociological aspects of changes of the organization. The following are some of the areas associated with people that undergo changes in green IT individual. Changing customer performance, basic training and based on awareness of environmental sustainability and green IT, use of social media networks, developing trust and ensuring society associated with carbon data. Thank you. This is the next. Thank you.